guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris. So today we are doing saving challenges. I am super excited to do this. It has been a long time since I've done this. Um, so my saving challenges are saving for back to school and our beach trip for next year. We are working on going on a beach trip in the next couple of weeks. But we're gonna go ahead and start working on for next year and back to school. So we do have some change that we're going to put in the change jar. I think we're going to do the change for our debt instead of putting towards these two. And once it fills up, we will put this towards debt. I'm going to fill this up real quick. So we already have $1.11 in here. So that brings us to $2.35 in our change jar. So today, from what was left over after grocery shopping, we have $8 left over from grocery shopping. So I am going to be using SimplySaves challenge, and like I said in my video from our budgeting from Saturday, as I believe this is good for me, but I'm not sure. I bet I got this from last year during the summer. I am using my iPad to do this with spin the wheel because I don't think I have a two-sided die. I'm going to look to see, but right now I'm going to use this. I turned the volume down because it's loud. So we're gonna use this, and let's just see how we go. Have some fun. But I hope everyone had a great weekend. What did you guys do? How was everyone's Father's Day? What did you guys do for your dad, your husband? We so this is one this is two. We um we just cooked something small for my husband. We just made some macaroni, collard greens and rice, some fried chicken, and made a cake and some cornbread. Um, just something simple, nothing crazy. He enjoyed that. Um, Normally last year uh we were on the road, so we're doing things a little bit different this year. With him being home and being local this year, so uh, we're excited about this change that has happened. Hard to hit the spin button. Two is getting a lot of love. Oh, what did I hit? Oh, there you go. I'm gonna do that again. I messed up the screen, so I'm gonna do that one again. It's like we really need this vacation. I noticed lately the internet has been really slow, and I don't know what is up with that. Um, so everything is going towards vacation. Yeah. So at school, got $1. And vacation has got 7 others. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So with that, let's great start on vacation where I'll be staying. So that's super exciting. I'm going to put these in in one of my jars that I have. So I'm not gonna put it in the clear folder things that I have in my binders. I'm gonna put it in like one of my clear jars, like this. Looks like this, but I'm not gonna put it in that. But hopefully next week we'll have another video, and I will see you guys then. Talk to you guys later. Bye.